Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 28 from section 2.3 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. Okay, in this problem, we are given a formula, A equals P times the quantity 1 plus RT. And they are telling us this is used to find the principal amount P that is deposited, and it is earning R% interest for T years. We need to find the principal amount P that David invested at a 3% rate for 20 years if A is equal to 8,000. Okay, A is our accrued amount. It is interest plus principal. P is your starting amount that you deposit. R is your interest rate in decimal form, and then T is the amount of time. All right, so let's write down what is given. And so R is 3%, T is 20 years, and A is $8,000, and I'm just going to write down 8,000. Okay, and so A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. All right, we need to make this say P equals, so we need to divide both sides by 1 plus RT. So our principal amount will be equal to the accrued, so interest plus principal, divided by 1 plus RT. Note that the interest rate is the rate per year, so that when we multiply by time, our units cancel, and then we can add it to the 1. All right, so we're going to have 8,000 divided by 1 plus, for the rate, we need 3%, and we need to divide it by 100%. And then we'll multiply that by 20. Unit-wise, the years will cancel. The year is built right into the rate. Okay, I did this calculation, and I found the principal is $5,000. So we can add the $sign to that and the comma. So when David deposited $5,000 and the interest rate was 3% and he waited 20 years, his $5,000 grew to $8,000. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.